Hey yo guys, it's itsAK and welcome back to another video, and this is the first video of 2019, and yeah, in this video we're going to try blending with some of my markers. Yeah, I didn't have any ideas, so let's do this, and I hope you'll enjoy this video and make sure everything is, and I'll see you guys later in the video.
I got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired.
Okay, so yeah, this part of the video will be a little more different because I'm not drawing a normal casual drawing, but it is much more different, than how we actually draw. And I'm just going to try blending using my markers because I have never done it till this day. It's only 1 day after. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. But yeah, we're just doing the simple way of just drawing this whole things. And yeah, so I'm just going to use my markers to blend all the things and stuff and just see how it, turns out. You should also watch it. I don't know what to say, so let's continue.
When I let you go, ooh, let's just pull you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure.
I'm back, and if you'll see, the outfit of this character is much more inspired by the import-export update in GTA 5 online. You would have known that. So he wears like a hoodie sort of thing, and then the sleeveless hoodie. It looked actually cool, so I thought, and this character was in my mind for a long time, and for a long time I mean from yesterday. Actually I was thinking of drawing it because I wanted to just that pose he does, like the shrug thing, and I just love that part. And even the blending sort of thing would make it much more cooler. I think the hairs aren't that great. I wanted to have him an afro sort of thing, so even I could have colored it in that too, but okay, yeah, not bad. And yeah, even the outfit is inspired by that. And right now I'm just coloring the pants sort of things, those tights which he's wearing that now on that part. Even that looks awesome. And the most important part here is like the coloring and the blending, because if you want to blend it by correctly, sort of in a so yeah. And actually the choice of the color is much more important because I think it's turned out good. It would have been a lot more better because after I completed it I got to know a lot more ideas which I could have added on that, but still it's like not bad, it's actually pretty great. So yeah, I hope you like it, and let's get back to the video.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. But life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that.
Hey guys, I'm back again, and yeah, wait a second. Clothes change. So for the t-shirt, I was thinking of using different hues of blue because yeah, it would look cool with the pants, and like the darkest on the top, and then just slowly changing to the violet shade, and in the middle we can just use some different, like actually not using different contrast but with different brightness, and not like dark to light or light to dark, but mixed, like they're very dark then a little lighter, then there could be just some another sort of some other shade or some other hue, but mostly it should be blue. I don't want any other color there. So I hope you like that thing, and yeah, till now you see there are some of the places the blending isn't that well, but some of them it's just like awesome. But yeah, I hope you like it, and well, overall it's looking good. I messed up around some of the places, but it will look good right afterwards. So I will like this video again. So yeah, let's continue. I'm just getting so much so. Okay, continue.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. never gonna say goodbye, no.